Everyone. In this video, we will see the concept of typecasting in Java. So let's focus on these three types only to know the concept. We have byte primitive type, whose range is from -128 to 127. Short is this much of range, and integer range is this much. So what exactly typecasting do is, if I have two integers, one is of byte and another one is of short. So all bytes are a subset of short. I mean, let's say I have a number 100. So 100 fits in byte as well, 100 fits in short as well, and 100 fits in int as well. Okay. So ideally, I can assign byte to a short, but if I have to do a reverse, I have to Java will okay. Java will permit assigning a variable having byte type to a variable having short type. Java will permit this thing. But if I have to assign a short to a byte, Java will show me an error. And it's genuine. I mean, I cannot assign a number having a type short to a number having a type byte. I cannot narrow down the range of that type. Let's see this example. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, so let's say I have int b is 100. Sorry, let's start with byte. I have a variable b whose type is byte. Let's assign it a value 100. I have another variable of short whose value is 100. So let's assign byte to short first. S is, let's change the value of short to say something else. S is equal to 101. Okay, B is 100, S is 101. Let's assign byte to short. I'm assigning byte to short. Java will permit this thing. See, variable S is now 100 and B is also 100. Now let's change the value of S again to 101. Now I will try to assign short to a byte, a number having a higher range to a number having a lower range. Java will restrict me to do this. Assigning a short to a byte. Assigning short to a byte. So Java will throw me this error. Possible lossy conversion from short to byte. So how to handle this? I know, I mean, the number fits, I mean, number 101 fits in byte. I know that it should work fine according to me. So I can handle this scenario by doing a casting. So how I will do it is, I will say S, I know it's a short, but the number fits in well. It fits in byte as well. So I will try to cast this short variable to a byte variable. I will say Java that whatsoever value is it there in S variable, it's a byte. Treat it as a byte. Now Java will allow me to do this thing. Okay. So let's take another example of byte and int. Or let's talk about int and log. I have a variable int, say 1000. Let me try to assign this variable int I to a log. So I know long is of higher range, int is of I mean long is of higher range than integer. So here Java will allow me to assign I to L. Okay, but if I will try to assign L long to an integer, Java will throw me that error. Okay, and I know how to handle it now. I will say L, I know it's long, its type is long, but I want to cast it as an int. Treat this variable as an integer and then assign it to I. Now I can do it. Okay, let's change the value of L to say 2000. I is 1000. Now test it. I'm assigning L, whose value is 2000, to an integer I, whose original value is 1000. Now the updated value is 2000 here. So this is the concept of typecasting. So I can cast types to assign variables having higher ranges to variables having lower ranges. Okay.